Hello everyone, I am Harshit and welcome to my channel's another vlog. Today I will talk about Doraemon's favorite Dora cake. Even I will show you how to make Dora cake. Nowadays, Doraemon is a very popular cartoon TV show. Even teenagers also love this cartoon, of course, apart from Mr. Bean. The story revolves around a robotic cat named Doraemon, who travels back in time from 22nd century to help Nobita Nobi, a young boy who scores poor grades and is frequently bullied by his two classmates, Jian and Sunio. Doraemon has a pocket in which he stores unexpected gadgets that he gets from the future departmental store, such as bamboo copter, anywhere door, designer camera, translator tool, and many more. Dora cake, which is also known as dorayaki, is a type of Japanese confection, a red bean pancake which consists of two small pancake-like patties. Nobita calls it as yummy buns. Today I will show you the simplest version, and that is chocolate Dora cake. You all will love this version of Dora cake. Many of you might think that it is not possible to make Dora cake without any proper recipe in first attempt. I have learned this recipe from my dad. This recipe requires very less number of items. Most of these items are readily available in the kitchen. Please inquire about these items from your mom. So let's begin. But first, please make sure that you do all this in your mom or dad's supervision. I have mentioned the ingredients and their quantities in the description. If you have not subscribed my channel, then first subscribe it, like and share this video and comment me that how was the video. So let's start with the Dora cakes. So let's start making Dora cakes, and for this we need 1 cup all-purpose flour, or we can say Maida, half cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup milk powder, it is optional, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon honey, and 3/4 cup milk. So first you need a bowl and a sieve. Then add all-purpose flour. You can also take atta instead of maida. Now we have to add powdered sugar, then add milk powder. Now baking soda, we also call it meetha soda. It is added to make the cake soft and fluffy. Now we have to sieve all the dry ingredients. You can also add vanilla essence. It is totally optional. One teaspoon vanilla essence. Then add honey to this. Lastly, add milk, which is to be added in small quantities. Please make sure that the milk is not hot. It should be at room temperature. You have to whisk all the items. Please add milk in small quantities to get ribbon consistency. Same consistency as we do for cake batter. You can ask your mom for help in mixing. Now our batter is almost ready. Now we have placed a non-stick frying pan. Flame should be medium to low. Grease the pan with little oil. Remove any excess oil. You don't have to pour oil again. Pour almost 1/4 cup batter to pan. Cover with lid and wait for around 2 minutes. Put the flame to medium to low. Gently check the sides before flipping. Now flip the sides and again cover it with lid and bake it for another 1 to 2 minutes. You can check in between whether it's baked or not. Now our pancake is almost ready. I forgot to show you the first pancake because my younger brother didn't let me shoot the video. You can see the first cake. It was baked properly. Again pour batter to pan. Cover with lid and wait for around 2 minutes. Flip the sides and again cover it with lid and bake it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Similarly, we will prepare rest of the cakes. You can also take atta instead of maida, but then the taste will not be so much good. Using this batter, we can make 6 cakes. Flip the cake and bake the other side. Now take a cake and also take chocolate syrup. Now we will spread the chocolate syrup. If you want, you can add more quantity of chocolate syrup. Chocolate spread can also be used in place of chocolate syrup. Place the other cake over it. Do this for all the pancakes. Our chocolate Dora cakes are ready. Looking yummy, isn't it? You will definitely love this Dora cake. As have seen, Dora cakes are really very easy to prepare and they are perfectly cooked. I will cut in half and show you how it is done. See, they are perfectly done and how fluffy they are. So our Dora cake is ready and it is so soft and fluffy. You can see its fluffiness and softness. So let's try this. Really, it's so yummy. So please try this at your home, and I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can see my all new videos first. Like and share this video and comment me your love and supports. So let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.